Welcome to the BizzRiser platform demo. In this video, we will take you through the various components and functionalities of the BizzRiser platform. This platform is designed to maximize your marketing potential and connect with customers on WhatsApp using a better WhatsApp Business API solution. Let us get started. First, let's talk about the BizzRiser dashboard. Once you log into your account, you will be directed here on the dashboard. You can easily keep track of the number of connected bots, contact widgets, and bot flows you have created. You can also view the status of your subscribers, send broadcasts, and upcoming broadcasts, making it a central hub for managing multiple tasks. Now let us explore the Connect WhatsApp feature in BizzRiser. To use a WhatsApp bot, you must connect your WhatsApp Business API to BizzRiser through Meta Business. If you need help with this process, please kindly contact us on this number. After connecting your bot, you can easily manage it using the Bot Manager. Yeah, you can modify and edit assorted options. Let's start with the bot reply. This is where you create and customize the bot responses. When a user messages it, the BizzRiser Visual Drag and Drop Flow Builder is an amazing feature that empowers you to create, evaluate, and construct chatbots graphically through a user-friendly, no-code online interface. With this platform, you have the flexibility to design any type of chatbot. Now let's talk about the AI agent feature. By enabling this, you can build intelligent chatbots that respond to customers based on the training data you provide. You can train your AI agent using FAQs, website URLs, and PDF or document files. The AI learns from this information and automatically replies to customer queries with accurate, context-aware answers, just like a real human support assistant. To use this feature, you simply need to integrate OpenAI or any compatible AI chatbot API key with BizzRiser. Once connected, your AI agent becomes active and starts handling conversations smartly and instantly. Next is the Broadcast Campaign section. Here, you can access all your previous broadcast campaigns along with their detailed analytics. You can view delivery reports, check message status, analyze performance, and download detailed reports as a CSV file. This helps you track the effectiveness of your campaigns and understand how your audience is engaging with your messages. Next, we have the Chat widget. Chat widget is used to enhance the user experience by including a chatbot link on your website. When you create a chart widget, you can customize your widget by adding colors, change in sizes, and much more. After you save it and click on Embedded Code, you can copy the code or link and paste it into your website to integrate the widget. Now with the sequence component, you can create message sequences using the Flow Builder. This feature allows you to schedule and send messages to subscribers at specific times, making it ideal for automated follow-ups or reminders. Let me show you one sample sequence building with no-code Flow Builder. Then the user input flow enables you to ask users a single or series of questions. Their answers can be stored as variables in custom fields, helping you segment your subscribers and provide personalized responses. Let me show you one sample input flow building with no-code Flow Builder. Now let's open the WhatsApp Flow Builder. This tool allows you to create forms directly inside WhatsApp, similar to Google Forms, but far more convenient for customers. You can build forms using elements like header, text field, text area, radio buttons, checkboxes, list box or drop-down, date selector, submit button. Simply drag and drop these components to design any form you want. Once published, the client receives the form right inside WhatsApp. They fill it out, submit it with a single tap, and all the data is automatically captured into the system. No manual work required. Extremely useful for appointment scheduling, lead collection, event registrations, surveys and feedback, document or detail collection, or any other structured input process. It's one of the most efficient ways to collect information because customers prefer filling forms inside WhatsApp rather than opening external links. Then message templates are an essential aspect of WhatsApp Business. BizzRiser allows you to create professional and effective template messages with customizable buttons and calls to action. Remember to have your templates approved by Meta before using them. You can use template messages directly through live chat and broadcasting. Commerce and Shopify automation is a powerful feature that lets you integrate your BizzRiser WhatsApp bot with e-commerce platforms. It enables actions like order notifications, abandoned cart recovery, conversion reminders, and more. With the outbound webhook, you can easily connect your chatbot to third-party apps like Zapier and Pabbly with BizzRiser. Outbound webhook workflow. This allows you to pass data from your chatbot to these platforms, opening a world of possibilities for automating tasks and integrating your chatbot with other tools and services. With action buttons, you can customize the buttons shown in the chat box, allowing users to perform specific actions with a simple click. The configuration section allows you to configure various settings according to your needs, including general settings, autoresponder, email integration, and SMS integration. Next is the Subscriber Manager, allows you to label and segment your subscribers for more personalized messaging. You can also send sequences or broadcasts to specific segments of subscribers. You can send multiple sorts of sequence or broadcasting messages by segmenting your subscribers into distinct labels. You can use labels or status to separate your chatbot subscribers. Also, you can download, import from CSV, import manually, assign labels, assign sequence, and as well as delete subscribers. Here with BizzRiser WhatsApp Broadcasting, you can send targeted messages, reminders, and follow-ups to specific audiences, boosting engagement and reactivation. The best part is that you can include CTA buttons and multimedia files, like images, videos, and PDFs. For more impactful communication with the live chat feature, you can interact directly with your customers and send template messages, canned responses, or frequently asked questions. It is a wonderful way to provide quick and efficient customer support. In the chat interface, you have various chat actions available. You can mark charts as read or unread, archive or unarchive them. In Action button, you can unsubscribe a customer, pause the bot, and reset the user input flow. If you have an organization or a team, create team members, and you can assign that particular customer chat to the agents. When you select, the chat will be transferred to that team member, and they will be able to provide customer support. You can also add several types of labels for easy subscriber segmentation sequences. If you want to send a particular message after the selected duration of time, you can use message sequences. Inside Notes, you can pass a message to your team members so they can continue on. The next unique feature is the webhook workflow, which allows you to connect any third-party web provider such as Typeform, Google Forms, WP Elementor, WooCommerce, Shopify, and many others to BizzRiser. With this integration, you can send messages to WhatsApp based on webhook data, for instance. If you have a website with a form, when a user enters their data, you can trigger an automatic WhatsApp message to be sent to them using the webhook workflow. You can also send payment confirmation messages on WhatsApp from payment gateways like Stripe, Razorpay, Instamojo, and more, streamlining your customer communication and enhancing their experience. Furthermore, BizzRiser can seamlessly integrate with popular funnel builder and website builder platforms like ClickFunnels, FlexiFunnel, WordPress, Wix, and others, enabling smooth and efficient interactions with your audience. Our unique webhook workflow feature enables you to connect BizzRiser with thousands of applications, expanding your possibilities and enhancing your WhatsApp marketing strategy. Take advantage of this powerful feature to elevate your communication and engagement with your customers across various platforms and applications. Next is WhatsApp Catalog. Sell directly through your WhatsApp bot, showcasing products effortlessly for a seamless shopping experience. Our revolutionary seamless checkout system integrates WhatsApp Catalog features, making purchasing smooth and hassle-free. You can also seamlessly integrate 12+ payment gateways to collect payments, offering convenience and security to your customers. Elevate your business today. We also offer team member management. With this feature, you can easily create and manage team members based on specific roles. Efficiently organize your team for smooth collaboration and effective delegation. Take control of your workforce and optimize your team's performance with this powerful tool. Next, we have the account option. By clicking on it, you can access and manage various aspects of your BizzRiser account. In the Account Preferences section, you can view and edit your personal settings such as your profile information, notification preferences, and other account-related details. If you want to upgrade your existing plan to access more advanced features or simply renew your current plan, you can do so seamlessly through the Upgrade or Renew option. This ensures you never miss out on the latest benefits BizzRiser has to offer. The Transition History tab provides a detailed overview of your account's activity, including any plan changes or upgrades you have made over time. This makes it easy to track your account's evolution and past transactions. The API Developer option is a powerful tool. Yeah, you can generate an API application programming interface to integrate BizzRiser with other third-party applications. Last but not least, we have the Logout button. If you ever need to sign out of your BizzRiser account for security or convenience reasons, this is where you can do it. And that is a comprehensive look at the BizzRiser platform and its components. With BizzRiser, you can effectively maximize your marketing potential and connect with customers on WhatsApp like never before. So what are you waiting for? Get started with BizzRiser today and elevate your business growth using WhatsApp Business API. Thank you for watching. Explore more features inside BizzRiser and take your WhatsApp automation to the next level. Subscribe to our channel for more updates. Bye.